And I got some spare parts out of there. So this boat just got worked on by a fellow mechanic, and the complaint the owners had was the alarm was active, and noted that oil level right there, and the key is on, and I said it should have been active. If you look at the sensor, which comes off the bottom of the tank, which is your two blue wires, that one was disconnected, so the alarm wasn't active. So if that's one way to make it not alarm, is disconnect the blue wire. So you connect it the way it's supposed to, and all of a sudden the alarm goes off. That keeps you from burning the motor up. So if you were waiting for that alarm to go off, you would have burnt the motor up.